What is it? Show me Grandma, Grandpa, and Chilliwack.
There, look at that. Good girl. Just rip it all off. Yeah, that's
Wow,
it.
that's a big piece. Wow,
Good
what is
one.
that?
Totally.
Cool.
Take the rest of the paper
Is
off.
that cooking stuff in here?
Good job.
Yay! Can you say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa? Yeah, it's stuck in there. It's gonna take a bit to take it out. It's just upside down.
Holy!
Now you can make stuff.
See?
Yeah, I see. Oh, it's working.